In today's video, we will focus on Leon Software's AI assistant, Wingman Chat. To use Wingman Chat, simply click on the star icon located on the top right corner of the main menu. A new window will appear where you can ask the assistant for help with your daily work in the Leon system. To begin with, let's ask Wingman Chat for a complete list of available features by typing "What can you do for me?" into the text box and confirm with either enter or by clicking the send button. As you can see, our AI assistant can do a variety of things for you. It can search and count flights within a selected time range, show you the assigned crew, or provide post-flight data from the journey log, such as fuel, times, and passenger count. It can also display your fleet details, give you full aircraft profiles, or help you look up airports by ICAO and IATA codes, or even by name. On top of that, the assistant lets you search and create contacts, retrieve crew travel documents, and even help you with CQL conditions for checklist items. Finally, it can provide a step-by-step guide on system features. Now, let's try to use our AI assistant by simply typing in our first command, count all confirmed flights performed in August 2025 on aircraft de Leon with Thomas Delta as captain. As you can see, 2 flights were found. Now, let's get some more data by typing in, provide all available details on those 2 flights. As you can see, all the information was successfully retrieved, including the entered journey log data. It is worth noting that the Wingman Chat only provides information available to the user in accordance to their privilege settings. Now, let's ask our assistant to show us how to add a new contact. For that, let's create a new chat. To do it, first click on the side panel icon located in the top left corner. Then, under the same icon, click on the New Chat button. Now, let's type in "Provide me with step-by-step instructions on how to create a new contact in Leon." As you can see, we received an in-depth instruction based on the Leon manual, but we can also ask the assistant to create a new contact for us. This time, we will purposely provide only minimal information. Create a new phone book contact, Tom. As you can see, Wingman Chat is programmed to ask for more details if needed, and suggest alternative solutions. Let's provide some additional information by typing the prompt, "Create a new phone book with contact, Tom Delta, mail, work email tom.delta@leonsoftware.com, client." The new contact was successfully created. Finally, you can also look up your chat history, available on the left side under the site panel icon. The history is private and visible only to the user. You can return to previous chats at any time and continue working from where you left off.